Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our oversession. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The trade between the US and Mexico reached $263 billion in the first 4 months of 2023, passing the value of goods flowing between America and China, who was America's top partner for much of the 2010s. Bitcoin plunged more to a 2-month low. The slump sparked a broad decline across all of crypto, leading to more than $1 billion in liquidations, and putting Bitcoin on pace for its worst run since November 2022, and crypto exchange FTX's collapse. Nvidia Corp shares climbed over 5% as more analysts raised their price targets on the stock, a sign of growing optimism about the chip maker's highly anticipated results later this week.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US existing home sales will be released at 1400 hours GMT, the Eurozone's current account at 0800 hours GMT, Finland's unemployment rate at 0500 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index will be released at 1255 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 0900 hours GMT, the US API weekly crude oil stock at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.